Hello guys, and today we are in the other side of the aquarium, like the other side. It still talks about aquatic stuff like that. I think it's called, manatee. I find them kind of cute. Look at the shells though. You can never go wrong with all the shells and stuff and all the cool stuff. Again, oh no, that's a log. Wait, there's buttons you can press too. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? Anyway, let's make our way outside.
Can you go outside? You got everything inside?
Yep. Yes. Look at that. Shirts. Sounds cool.
We'll see you soon. So it was good seeing you again.
Yeah, you too.
Good, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So, we're gonna go to the play area of a park and see some more cool and more fun stuff. Is for books, like a book exchange thing. I used to come here when I was 5, I think.
3, 4, 5, yep.
Yeah. So, I'm at the aquarium, and with that, try not to get them mixed up. This is on the other side of the aquarium. Just gonna tell you now. And this is what I call the fun zone. This is the fun zone, because there's a theater, there's like a mud play center. So let's explore this place together. As you can see here, there is a wheel. I like to call it the Wheel of Fortune because it just looks like a Wheel of Fortune. And over on this, we have a fun little parkour area. Let's see if I can do it on screen here. Might be a bit hard for me, but yeah, I'm not so good at these as I am. You guys can skip ahead this part. I'm sure you might not want to see me fall, but if you're here for the laughs, like me, then it should be fun for you. Oh, well, this is the house. You can see it's a log. Let's see if I can make one try. Yeah, I'm doing it. No way. No way I actually did that. There is no way I actually just did that, guys. Steps. Okay, apologies for the slight pause there. Yeah, for the slight fall. Hopefully we edited that out, cause oh Dad, guess what?
What?
I crossed a bridge.
You
First
did?
try, yeah.
See, 'cause you didn't think about it before you were thinking about it.
Yeah.
Go on this trail of death.
Huh? So that's the crab thing. Well, that's what I call it. Right now we're going on this super cool trail. I don't know where it's gonna lead us. Well, I guess we'll find out. Let's just take a moment to be peaceful. Look how cool these rocks are. This is so cool, guys. Look at that. Here's the trail end, where the trail ends here. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Oh, look, it's a kayak. Now, yes, we are on the other side of the ocean place, like I said. And to answer your question, I don't know why there's a kayak there. Maybe the ocean place gave it to them or something. Oh. See. So yeah. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.